guys, so I did an unboxing video of the latest drone from Parrot. It's called Mambo and I have it right here. This drone comes together with a grappling hook, which looks like this, a cannon which shoots these. So, and the box looks like this. And if you missed the unboxing video, you can click on the link at the end of this video. I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. And you operate it with your smartphone. So you download the app. This looks like this. These are the controls. So first of all, you have to choose if you want to fly it with these things on or off. I'm kind of new to this whole drone stuff, so I have only flown it with the whole on, and I have only flown it inside of my apartment. So to not upset my girlfriend, I have to keep this on so I don't scratch the wallpaper and stuff and don't break her nice things in the shelves. I'm gonna show you how to mount these things and how they work. So this looks like Lego. Okay, so you have Lego looking stuff here, and you just you have this cord here, so you have to put it between here and on here. When it's connected, it will turn this little green light on. And this here, you have these little Lego parts here, and you have the opposite here, along with this grappling device here, which you just put on the like this. And now it's mounted. And when mounted, a green little button here in the middle of the app will appear, and if I press this, you can see it closes, and you can press it again and it opens. So you can grab stuff and fly it around and drop stuff up. So yeah, I'm gonna remove this and I'm gonna put on the cannon instead, which I haven't tried yet, so it's a bit exciting for me as well. So I'm gonna take this, put it on, okay. Another button appeared in the app, and the background actually changed as well. So I'm gonna load it with some ammo. I'm gonna fire it as well. So, okay, maybe disconnected it. I think I disconnected it. I'm just gonna mount it. And you put in here, you have a hole, so you put it in here, like so. And I disconnected it again, so, okay. It's loaded, locked and loaded. I'm gonna shoot something. I'm gonna fire it away here, so let's see. Oh my god. It went really far. Okay. The cannon works. And with a brute force as well. We like it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment or hit the like button. Thank you.